Hi guys, here I am again. This time I'm going to show you a very special recipe from the island of Skopelos. Skopelos is well known for its prunes. They have a great prune production and variety. Here are some. These are dry prunes. So I'm going to make today a very special recipe that they are making in that island, and that's pork with prunes. It's a casserole dish, a one pan, one pot dish, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. It's wonderful for autumn and winter. So, come closer and I'll show you how to make it. Ingredients: 1 kilo 2.25 pounds pork tenderloin, 250 grams, about 20 pieces pitted dry prunes from Skopelos or any other, 1 shot prune liqueur from Skopelos called prunia or other fruit liqueur, 60 ml 3 to 4 tablespoons honey from Skopelos or other good quality honey, 2 garlic cloves, 1 glass 250 ml sweet red wine like Samos, Mavrodaphne or other, 1 glass 250 ml fresh orange juice, 2 to 3 bay leaves, salt and ground pepper, 60 ml 4 tablespoons olive oil, 30 ml 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. Prepare ahead. Soak prunes in water before cooking your dish. Place the dry prunes in a bowl and fill it with 1 liter water. Cover with plastic wrap and leave them to soak for 5 to 6 hours. Prepare the pork. Wash the tenderloins under running water. Place them on a cutting board and pat them dry with kitchen paper. Next, cut the tenderloins in rounds of 1 cm, 0.4 inches thickness using a sharp knife. Peel off the garlic skin and chop them into thin slices. Cooking time. Place a dip pot over medium heat, adding just enough olive oil to cover the bottom, about 4 tablespoons. When the oil warms up, turn the heat to high and sauté the garlic slices for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the pork rounds and sauté them together with the garlic slices for 3 to 4 minutes, tossing them regularly so that they can brown and seal all around.
When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. I was running from my brother and his friends.
Now turn down the heat, pour in the wine and season with salt and ground pepper to taste. Also add the balsamic vinegar and a shot of prune or other fruit liqueur. Dip the bay leaves in the sauce and pour the honey in. Pour the orange juice as well. Stir to mix all ingredients well. Let the sauce gradually come to a boil. Adding the prunes, take the soaked prunes and strain them. Shake to remove excess water. Prunes are now fluffy, soft and moist. Add them in the sauce when it starts to boil, gently stirring to mix them in. When the sauce starts to boil again, turn the heat to very low and place the lid on top of the pot. Leave the dish to simmer for approximately 40 minutes. Start counting from the time the sauce starts to boil. After 20 minutes, open the lid and stir once more gently so that you won't melt the prunes. Cover the pot with the lid again. After 20 minutes or a total of 40 minutes, the delicious pork dish must be ready. Stir it once more and turn off the heat. Take a look at that sauce. Leave it to rest for 10 minutes before serving. Serving suggestions. You can serve the pork with prunes and its beautifully sweet sauce over boiled pasta, any kind. Here is penne. The pork really melts in your mouth while the sauce is sweet with undertones of alcohol and acidity. Here is our dish at an elegant dinner table served with green lettuce salad, spicy rice with chickpeas, and spitzofai. What an amazing, impressive dish! Greece travel tip. Skopelos Island is very rich in fruits and vegetables due to its climate and dense forestry. The island is a blessed place with many fruit trees like chestnuts, figs, almonds, lemons, oranges and very special prune variety that they use in their local cuisine and to make jams and liqueur. Visit the renowned Mamma Mia Island and try their local delicacies with prunes. These photos, famous prune trees of Skopelos. Skopelos town and harbour, beautiful houses and a church top in Skopelos Hora, the Church of Panagiatou Pyrgou in Skopelos town, the impressive church in twilight. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Greek Cooking Made Easy. Check my website for my recipe in text, also in Greek.